Hi everybody, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem or the issues of privacy on TikTok. To know how to fix or how to solve privacy on TikTok, you should just go to settings. Here we click apps, default apps, app settings. Then in this list you will enter to the window of TikTok and you click. Then you will enter to the window of first stop and you can click OK. Here we'll enter to storage. Then you can click clear cache. Don't click clear data because that can cause the errors in your app. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your watching. Goodbye.